This story when I want to talk about so now for pretending friends. Now for friends will be say they don't want your happiness, they don't want your progress. Friends will be say they're going to pretend follow you, they're going to follow you, they play, but they're going to kill you for back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My people, another story that come out again for friends. For friends wey be say they don't want your happiness. For friends wey be say that they pretend to follow you. You know say when they see this different type of friends. You understand? But some people, you go they follow them, they play. You go if say they like you. They don't like you. They pretend. You understand? So one of our sister don't cry out again. She say she need advice. Say because friends wey in they follow. He no know say this girl never like her one day. He no know say this girl no want her happiness. But in the face say he get friend. In the face say she get friend. But she no know say she don't get friend. She don't know say the girl are just, you know, when they say green snake under the green grass. He say now this girl be. But he don't know. In the follow and the waka. But people they tell her. But she they feel say, nah lie. You know. Until when they can't really see him say, so this girl I really waiting people they think say she be. Now she really be. You understand? So more than sit down and listen to this story. She said she come they make this friend do. She come she travel go some places for the take care of asylum. And then if you know the girl, so two of them come they play, you know. Because they tell them some things about where in day and how they say they get paper, everything. So you can see they discuss with her, you can see make her know everything, you know. But this lady come with the husband. So she can't even they quarrel with her and say, why you come with your husband? You for come alone for consider asylum so that me you still get documents, you understand? So you can they advise her, just open up for them, you know. Now friend will be say they open your mind, just to be like me, you know. Where they always they use the mind, they follow friend. You understand? So now so they follow. And also this girl don't even like him. Anything where this girl want do, they follow and they do him. Anywhere where one go, in they follow and they go. You understand? But you don't know say this girl don't like him. You don't know say the girl they pretend. You understand? He says so. He just they open in mind, they open up for him, they do everything, they follow him, you know. But you don't know say the girl are just person maybe say he not just want her happiness, he just the jealous her. He just get this heavy heart for him. I tell you my people, not be only who they fly, not be wish you. Not be only who they fly. There are some kind mind where somebody go get you go pass who they fly. Me, I always they talk on me. If you don't say you not like friend, instead of you they pretend they follow one, just tell and say, you know, I don't want you again as friend. You understand? Because friendship it be like sisters. Again, where you with friend go play, you not come be like sisters. You understand? So now be waiting once where people don't they understand. He says so she can they follow this girl, you know. Everything they okay with them, you know, but this girl go carry her matter, go meet other people. They discuss her, they gossip her, you know. He said, you know, but they'll tell her, even the things where she they tell this her friend, they bat her. He said, this girl they tell those people. You go still hear them. You go still say, they'll tell her, you go say, sometimes if women don't sit down, we still remember between the gossip. So you go just be saying a normal talk. You understand? You go just still forget. So but you go still they follow this girl, they make friends, you know. And she now she go they tell her, say, see what those people talk about you, all those things. Whereas now she be the real bad person inside though. But you go just see pretend like say everything they okay. He says so you go still they follow this girl, you know. So he said he get one time he can see another girl again. We be say the girl they one camp like that. So he can go they see the girl from there with them can they play. You understand? So it can be like say this girl that can't they jealous. I said they make friend with the other one now. So, and I even through this girl can see introduce this our friend, this our new friend to this old one too. Say, I see you, now my friend, you know. He say, no, say the girl the evil face. He can't they follow that one, they be friend. They see they gossip her. They give that one, say make you run for him. Now bad person. This girl not be better person. Ah. He say, but you go see meet her. You go see the tell and say that your friend a bad person. No. That girl, so not they follow her, they make friend again. No. Not they carry her near body again. Ah. She will come to say, you no can understand. Who can they tell her the truth? This one they tell her, say what this girl they tell her. This one they tell her different thing. He says she will come tire. She will come like, who can they do this thing? You don't understand. You can they use brain, you know. He says so this girl, this the one we call our friend so. He don't know say the girl. So say this girl come tell her say they can't do contribution. My people. If you want to do contribution with person, I bet fair look am. Fair look the person, because some people they if you do contribution with them, now not be this contribution, sha. If you do it with some people, my people. If you not be person, we be say you the right time or because contribution, you don't feel go to police now if the person don't give you. I don't want to believe where evidence Monday. You can't do one with this woman. Our friend though. He said if in they do many hand. He said if you reach out when you want to give her money. He said the way they do. If they see that trade in her if you want to give her money. You go they wonder what did I do this girl? What did he do will be say this woman just hate her for no reason. The way she go able to do, if you know go want even give her the money, when you go reach her turn, you go want postpone and say, oh, that person dey oh, and they know say that this her friend though, person where you call her friend though. He says so, you go just like anytime when you like make you give her. You can't. He says so that you can't do this contribution with this woman, and she that period she can't see man. He want to do marriage. You can't tell this her friend say give her money, you want to do marriage. He said, this woman say, la. You know, they give her more. Another person, I ain't go give. What till he can't do this woman rich like this? He don't know. He can't do maybe saying with that her friend, maybe say she they follow, they make friend. He can't do maybe saying with that one go quarrel. And this woman can't do rich. After I don't cause quarrel for him with that one, she can't still go there from back. See go they tell that one says they run for now a bad person. You know, tell you can't make people hate this girl. You can't talk about this girl for the city. People can't visit and again I be a bad person. The girl say, you don't know one. Everything when they really talk about her, they forge her for her. I did not even know all those things which really smart they talk. He said the thing just tire her. This woman go lie finish. She go tell them something they don't ask the girl. The girl say nobody they talk to them. They don't grow and tell them because they don't tell them something they don't talk. So now say the people now see another ugbe can go call them. I don't know what I go call them. How can somebody go tell them something now? You just believe only one side. Don't not go believe. Don't not want to listen to the other side whether not truth. That thing, my people, it makes sense. You don't go one listen to the other side, you listen to one side. Say this woman mission say, now so you tell people, now so what is she not talk or you go put her for her head. No, but it's saying Ingo, if you want to talk, nobody go one listen because they don't already believe her. One beneath music, he say, na ye mwanji nuka ba me oge, niga minu yasin. Na ye mwanji nuka ba me oge, ge megi gugwa. Oma no mami e mo ge bagmo. Esi anyway o. No what he mean. Who that they believe in word, pray me not put life for your head. If you put life for your head, you don't go feel deny. Who that they believe in word, if you put life for your head, you don't go feel deny. Now happen to that my lady. What did that music me be say? Who that they believe in word, may not put life for your head, because if you put life for your head, you don't go feel deny. You don't go fit. He says so. He can't they like that. Nobody want really ask her. All of they just really believe this woman. she just dey happy for the evil things wey she dey do. He say he can't dey like that. He say so contribution on time can't see rich. Me you give her money, this woman don't want to give her. This woman they postpone her. He said the next thing, as they show her wickedness, and so they show the other girl because now he bring the other girl come join the contribution according to the lady. He said so that one can't see join. Make you say give that one money. This woman just the face because the two of them they play. Because it because quarrel for them, come surprise they settle again. They think they pay the woman. He said this woman can't show them make trade there. You give her money. This woman don't want to give her. He said this woman say no, they give her. Anything they want to do, make she go do. See nothing they happen. He said how you can tell this her friends. Say what we go do now? When this man does say that the rich time with the contribution want to finish. I thought the rich time want to give them money. This woman can talk say he don't remove them for the contribution. So that make it cut their money. He said, "See, cut tired more. Make this woman give them their money." And he said, "Don't remove them for the contribution." He said, "Nobody say anything to even the people where they say fear not even the let any of the talk to the woman." He said, "She can't do like." He said, "They can't do like that." He said, "So when the entire can't reach now, want to give them, he cut the other girl. He said, her own he pay for all of them." He said, "This woman make sure say he cut all the money." He said, "What does she want to do? What you want there? Even though men go report her, they're not sign her, they're not write her. So you have to be and take what you see. Say can't take instead of almost 1,000 what this woman supposed to give her. This woman can't give her 300, maybe 400. He said the woman cuts all the money. You don't see anything we want to do. You can't take her like that. So you just make a use and do video. Want to advise people when they do contribution. More than they look people. Even though your best friend, I better look at face before you do anything contribution. Not be everybody will follow you open teeth. Not be your friend though. So people just there pretend. They just pretend follow you. They don't want your progress. They don't want your happiness. If they see your downfall, they go they happy. Any of your downfall where they see they go they happy. They happy for you. Heaviness won't finish them. I want to hear about people if you're the heavy person, you get bad mind towards person. Your own not go better, but you don't know. Your own not go ever better. Anything you they ask God, make God do for you, not go ever done because you know they're happy for people. You know they're happy for people progress. You know they know what they hinder your blessing. You know they know. But you go if you say now wish. Not be everything that they give wish you. Sometimes you now what you use your own take cost, my dear. Not be wish. But we go to say now wish. Now wish. Wish. Who wish help? Wish just see yourself finish. But so what you use your own hand to take cause that evidence where they in you. And try more than they get forgiving mind. If maybe the woman do you something where you don't know, tell her. You go beg you, may you forgive her. That way you come to use bad method, they follow you go show her wickedness. I tell the girl say go eat the money and go finish. You go eat and you go finish. You understand? You go eat the money, go finish. You go don't even eat and you say don't take away the tea. You go not say eat and finish JT now. So you say one just talk at me and say advise people if you want to make friend, my dear, look for you make friend. And if you they make friend, never open your mind for that friend, make sure so you know whether not better person or not bad person. This sorry made just that I don't feel you remember everything the way they tell me, you understand, because it's not easy. Everything cram everything. So if you they make friend, try, may you know say, may you look that friend for you to open up. For you open up all your mind for them. Many they pretend not many pass for friends, pretend not just many pass. So this one are just advice to people. I beg. From the make friend one they look, So it's what happen to this our sister, and that may not happen to her now. You understand? Heaviness day for friends, heaviness. If you get document, you don't get it go the verse for you. Or it's not be you cause we not get no know you before. Now you now the same European one for know each other. We don't know each other for Africa. You understand? So If you not get document the other one get, pray me they give you. God go give you your own. And if you tell people, so people they want people will tell people say what they happen for what they cause problem for them. They don't go tell them the truth. They go they lie. They go they lie to them, so that make people they feel say now you be the bad person. Whereas now that your friend. You understand? So this one I just advice, my people. So thank you everybody, and take care. If you see this video, share it, share the video, sit down and listen to the story very well. So thank you everybody, and take care until I come your way next time. Remember your one and only Lady J. Bye, and put thumbs up for me. Always like my video, always share, and always comment. So I want to see your comments and what you think about this topic, what you think, and how you look the topic. So thank you everybody, and take care. Bye.